Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Madison Olivia, and today I'm gonna be giving you guys a epic moving 3-day get it all done. It's a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday video. I'm just gonna give you the majority of the snippets that were important and the majority of what I was able to accomplish. I will kind of skip through and just show you the end result of a lot of things, so I'm not boring you to tears. There's a lot of things that I got done in a short amount of time. So I hope everyone's enjoying watching me move in. I'm enjoying moving in so much. I still haven't gotten everything I want accomplished. I need to hang things. Christmas decor is coming in the next video, so I think it's gonna come together pretty soon, and by December I'm gonna have a lot more just festive content because I really do think the house should be done by then. Really excited to do some festive content. I might need to do some decluttering. I didn't realize how much clothes I had until I moved in here, and I'm like, okay, it's time to do something. But I hope you enjoy this video, and without further ado, here's Wednesday, and then I'll kind of like transition to Thursday and Friday. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Talk to you guys soon. Oh, and please like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell. It really helps my channel. Thanks. Alright, so I think today is a great day for me to do a get it all done. We're going to do a Wednesday edition. Today's Wednesday. I'm about to eat breakfast. Let me show you what I made. Okay, so this is my breakfast. I have 2 pieces of keto toast. It's only 40 calories a slice. I've got this raspberry preserves from Aldi. They're Simply Nature's organic. And I made 4 eggs because I've got a lot to do today and I need energy. So here's my massive breakfast, and I'm about to eat this, and then I have a lot more to do today. Alright, I think it's finally time for a room update. I did get my IKEA furniture this past weekend, and I did build it all with the help of my boyfriend and my mom. It's still messy, but I got this for all my clothes because I have too many clothes. And then the grand finale, nightstand and my dresser. This was the hardest thing I've ever tried to build. Ignore all that. I'm still work in progress, but that's all part of today's video. I'm gonna kind of go through everything I'm gonna do today. I need to hang things. Hey buddy, just have a lot to do, so thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. So after eating and taking a shower, I feel like a brand new woman. I put on some face oil. It's the Face Hero. Kind of weird packaging. It's light. It's called Face Hero. Good product. Definitely clean ingredients, and I can really tell a difference in my skin after I let it all absorb it. But anywho, I've got a lot to do today. I think I'm just gonna leave my face bare for the time being and get cracking because this room needs to be organized. I really want to figure out my closet, hang some stuff, clean the kitchen. I'm gonna just try to work all day long. So here we go. Okay, quick update. So I decided to work on my closet this morning. Everything was just jumbled. What I've been able to do so far is going from white to pinks to oranges, blues to greens to grays to blacks. I've been able to section off my dresses, and then I'm gonna do shirts and like sweaters and jackets. So it's a big closet, but it is so cramped in here with this piece of furniture. But when you have a ton of clothes, you gotta figure out ways to make it all work. So, okay, so I got all my shirts here and then all my jackets here. I did take a short break and I didn't finish color coding it, but I'll get back to that. I wanted to show you what I did on my break. Okay, I know it's nothing special, but I decided to decorate the laundry room. Little quotes, the moon. I just thought it was cute. I don't know. Alright, so my quick update is going to be that I finally organized this closet. It's not perfect, but it is way better than it was. There's a lot of room to grow and store more things as they become necessary, so that's good. This room is a crazy mess right now. I'm trying to like figure out decor and what I want to hang. It's a bit confusing. And then I've been doing a lot of laundry. I washed my bedding, my blankets, and this little clothes, and I'm working on folding it right now, so that's why it looks like that. But yay, I'm getting really excited. Yeah, it's air drying. This is what the process of moving looks like. Alright, update. I've pretty much put all my clothes away, minus those 2 shirts. I don't know, I just found them. Just trying to figure out knickknacks. Still pretty messy. Got more knickknacks to figure out down there. I did get some things hung in my bathroom. That's always exciting. But yeah. Also, we put some living room and dining room rugs down. Alright, we did a double rug scenario there. Gonna make it a little more dramatic and separate the space a little bit. Yay! Kitchen's nice and tidy. You know, the cat treat life. But yay! This place is coming along. We took all the holiday stuff down, the fall stuff, so that we can prepare for Christmas. Very excited to decorate for Christmas. Final update of the day, my bed has been made. I still have a lot more things to hang in my room. I would love to get my mirror hung tomorrow or maybe Friday, but it is definitely coming along. I'm very excited. Good morning and welcome to day 2 of me getting it all done. This morning I woke up, made my bed, had some breakfast, had some coffee, and now I just got my shower for the day. I washed my hair yesterday, and I try not to wash my hair every day. It's not very good for your hair, but pretty much today I need to do a little bit more tidying in my closet and do a few errands, but maybe even clean my bathroom, so we'll see. So just gonna get to it. And I'm also just getting really excited because my room's finally not a wreck every day. I really do need to figure out hang some stuff on my walls, but we are getting there. Alright, so I've finished getting ready and I am now ready to go out. I'm gonna go run a couple errands to TJ Maxx and the dollar store. And then I'm gonna come back, probably clean my bathroom, and then I need to get ready for work and eat something. So let's try to get this all accomplished. I hope everyone's having a good morning. Alright, so I just stopped by the clubhouse to grab myself a double espresso vanilla latte. I need some extra caffeine today, so I love this feature of my apartment complex. Such a beautiful place. Alright, so I'm in the car and I'm about to drive off to, I believe, Dollar Tree first, and then I will hit TJ Maxx. I'm super excited. I don't get out much and I want to shop more, but I'm trying to be good. I have a lot of stuff. If anything, I need to be decluttering and getting rid of stuff, so maybe I should do that next on a video or something. I could get rid of a lot. It's just hard for me. I want to, clothes are special. I don't know if anyone else feels like that, but like a little attached, but whatever. I'm gonna have to figure that one out because I'm running out of space. Alright, so I'm back from the store. I just picked up a few things for myself and some other people. And now I made myself a massive protein smoothie. Cottage cheese, berries, bananas, almond milk, and protein powder, and some spinach. A great combination. I've talked about it a million times. It's nutrient dense, protein dense, and it's so good. I cannot stress this enough. But anyway, I think I'm gonna start cleaning my bathroom after I have a little food break, and then I'm gonna probably call it good for chores for the day. I do have to go nanny tonight, so that will be the end of my getting it all done. I'll show you my bathroom progress when I get there. And if I have time, maybe my closet could use a little more TLC. We'll see if I have time. Alright, so I did a quick bathroom tidy. I just wiped down all of my counters with an antibacterial solution. I did my sink, wiped down my whole toilet with that same solution. I did the floors, because litter box, ew. And I gave him an entirely fresh litter box and new liner. I love cat box liners. If you're not using them, I don't know what you're doing. But yay! My bathroom is clean. And we have so much trash, but thankfully the trash fairy comes today, so, and that needs to go to the garage. But other than that, the house looks really clean. Need to do some hanging maybe tonight, but just really starting to ignore my smoothie. It looks lovely. Oh, and my napkin for my smoothie. But my room's finally coming together a little bit. I got these lights to put in my shoe closet, but I have yet to figure out how they work. They're hard to close, so I'm not sure how my review on those are gonna be yet, but I got them from Amazon, so I'll let you guys know. All right, it is Friday morning. My room is tidy. I brought my Christmas clothes up, but the real attraction is I want to show you how chaotic the living room is. All right, let's look at a little madness here. This Christmas has thrown up. It has thrown up in our house. What? What? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's fine. It just keeps going.
No such thing as too much Christmas.
Amen. No such thing. Can't wait to put it all away. Yay! Oh, how cute. There's so many cute things. Okay. So it doesn't look like we've done much, but we've been sorting through everything we have to try to figure out where everything's gonna go. That's just all ornaments. That white fur is the tree skirt, apron, bows, another tree. We're kind of like a pile going over here, which is like lights and little outdoor things. We're gonna be doing outside as well. I don't know where that's gonna go. Our couch looks adorable though. That's for dang sure. But there is a lot to do. This is the storm before the calm. So it'll come together this weekend and I'm pretty excited about it. So I'll bring you along. Ooh, so many cute things. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my new place, seeing me kind of live my life in it. I've been cleaning, organizing, decorating. There's more to come. I think I'm gonna hold off and put the Christmas material for the most part in the next video. So this one's just a little bit of a teaser to show you what I got. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed watching me moving in with me, going through all that. It's always more than you expect it to be, but that's the fun. It'll get done eventually, and can't wait to show you guys more updates. Talk to you soon. Please like and comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and hope you guys have a bomb day. Bye.